Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey, welcome back to the series on the Midnight Blue Wagon. Today is the official test drive video. So let's go ahead and get on the road. Okay, we're going to go ahead and fire it up. There's our glow plugs. All right, it went off, and you can see over here we have a cold engine. I just pulled it out of the shop. There's our oil pressure, got a full tank of gas. There's the RPM. The clock says 110. There you go, 110. And you can see the mileage is 147,595, and the trip odometer says 579. Okay, it is very hot here in Georgia. We're gonna put that AC on low, and let's get on the road. And we'll cruise up to Georgia 400, get it up to speed, do the cruise control, do a brake test. We'll go through some windy roads back here, do a suspension test, all the stuff. Transmission shifting smooth. Everything operating as expected. All right, let me wait through this light. I will be back in a second. You can see our blinker is correctly working. All right, now I'm gonna take it easy until we get the engine up to temp. Technically, you don't have to. The Mercedes owner's manual specifically says you do not have to warm up the engine. I guess it's just an old habit of mine. Shifting nicely. We can see our engine temp is starting to come up, and you can see the clock is correctly working. It's been a couple of minutes. It was 110 a second ago, and you can see the odometer, the trip odometer is correctly turning over, and we'll go back and look at the odometer again in a second. AC feels nice. It's blowing out of the center vents. All the actuator pods were replaced. This is a done wagon, you guys. Nothing else left to do on this one. Brakes feel nice. Of course, all the brake system is completely new. Basically everything on this vehicle is new. We preserved as many of the original, aesthetic, like interior components as possible, but as far as mechanically, everything is new. I mean, of course, original engine and transmission, but all the suspension, brakes, all that kind of good stuff. All right. We're just accelerating uphill. We can see our engine temp has come up there. You can see the odometer is correctly turning over. All right, we're gonna go a little fast through this roundabout here and check out the suspension. Very nice, excellent body roll. Go a little fast through these turns down here. Nice, excellent handling. Everything is tight. You can see I'm going about 50 through here. Everything is handling exactly like it should be. I just pressed the transmission kickdown switch under the accelerator pedal, and it correctly dropped our transmission a gear. You can see the RPMs came up. Now I'll let off, and it drops back a gear. There we go. Kick down switch is working correctly. AC feels very nice. Of course, that's all been redone with brand new parts. No corners were cut on this wagon. All right, let me wait through this light and I will be back in a minute. All right, we're gonna get up here on the Georgia 400, get this thing up to cruising speed, 70, 75 miles an hour. Also, got one more light to go through, but you can see we are now up to operating temp, engine temp. Now I've been running the car hard through those turns back there and flooring it, so we're right there above 80, perfect. You can see our hot oil pressure is outstanding. We are slightly above 2 bar. That is excellent hot oil pressure. All the gauges, odometer, trip odometer working. You can see our clock is correctly working. Everything is good to go. I'll be right back when this light turns green. Engine is excellent health. Transmission is excellent health. All right, let's get on to Georgia 400 here. This is the on-ramp. I'll try to do a 0 to 60 here. I have to give it a second for this traffic to clear out in front of me. And we're gonna try to go right now. Perfect shift. Excellent. Yes, very healthy engine and transmission. I'm gonna let off a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and let this car pass. We're gonna merge out here. All right, I'm gonna get into the center lane and we're gonna try our cruise control. All right, there we go. Okay, I've got it right at 60 here. I'm gonna engage the cruise control and let off the accelerator. There we go. We are holding perfectly at 60. You can see my foot is not on the accelerator. Oh, by the way, there's some cocoa mats that I installed in here. I didn't show those in the other video, but these are brand new cocoa mats to protect the original carpets. I'll show those when I get out of the car. All right, let's accelerate with our cruise control. There we go. We are accelerating uphill. It's working correctly. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and deactivate the cruise control. There we go. There we go. There's the transmission kickdown. And we're accelerating up here to, we'll get up to 80 miles an hour. There we go. There we go. That's good cruising speed right about there, about 3,000 to 3,200 RPM. And she's running excellent. All right, up here on the off ramp, I'm going to do a brake test. We want to do hard braking and show off the new braking system. Let me go ahead and get over here into the right lane. Blinker is working correctly. Also, we were just driving it hard. You can see the engine temperature is perfectly stable. There's a new radiator and radiator hose and all that stuff is new on the cooling system. All right, we're gonna do a brake check. Ready? 1, 2, 3, hard brake. Oh, yeah, there we go. Excellent brakes. I'm actually gonna turn that AC on high because it's getting kind of hot in here. It's a very humid, hot day in Georgia. All right, let's go ahead. Actually, I'm going to put that back on low. And let's get back here on the Georgia 400 and head back to the shop. And we passed the test drive with flying colors. Everything works excellent. Absolutely no issues. Everything has been properly refurbished and restored on this car, and it drives great. So I'm going to go ahead and get back on George 400, and we'll see you back at the shop. Go ahead and get around this car here, and they're going a little slow. There you go. I just pressed the transmission kick down, which drops us a gear, and we're getting up to speed. Now I'll let off. All that's working correctly. Anyway, there's the test drive, guys. This car runs awesome, just as expected. All right, I'm back from the test drive. I just wanted to show the cocoa mats that I put in. Now, these are protecting, you know, the original carpets under here. I'm sorry, not the original. These are protecting the brand new carpet under here. So that's why the cocoa mats are in here. There we go. Got one over there. And fresh cocoa mats installed back here to protect the brand new carpets in the back. So they look really nice. Just wanted to show you guys that. There we go. Custom made for this car.